Welcome to Bippity Bop, the place for favorite classics.
Jim!
Rosie! Rosie and Jim, chugging along on the old Ragdoll. Rosie and Jim, and John, he steers a boat. We go to play and have a look
With Rosie's back,
Jim's drawing book. The world drifts by the window frame, and Rosie and Jim, we play our games. Rosie and Jim, finding stories every day. Rosie and Jim, and John, he writes them down.
Hello, I'm John. You saw me steering the boat just now, but that's not my real job. My real job is writing books. Books for children just like you. I'm writing a new book just now, all about Rosie and Jim. They're my two ragdolls that I have on the boat. I like to pretend that they come to life. And I get ideas for stories about them from the things I see as I travel along on my boat. What shall I put in my story today? It's a chilly day, so I'll start with that. 1. Chilly day. And then I'll draw the river with my 2 blue pens, like this. And I'll put this picture of the boat on my drawing to show the place. And now I'll be on my way. Oh, that's my life jacket on. Now, where shall I look for a story today? Oh, that's dangerous. I wonder who left that there. I could have fallen in the water or banged my head. I'd better put this out of harm's way. And now I'll set off.
Thanks, Duck. We're moving, Rosie.
where are we going to, Jim?
Let's see.
Well, what can I do with this brick? Perhaps I could write a story with bricks in it.
Jim! He said we're going to go all the way down here to find a brick.
What, all down there, Rosie?
Down there.
Just to find a brick?
Yes.
Rosie?
Yeah?
He doesn't need to. I've just found one. There.
Noodle. Oh, so we're going to go all down here to a brick.
Yeah, a brick.
Oh, I wonder what he's building with all those bricks. Looks interesting. But then he has lots of bricks, and I only have one. Oh, I did have one. But it's gone.
Jim! He's built the...
Building.
Oh, building!
But Rosie,
Yeah?
he's not building with big heavy bricks like this one.
No, he's not. And that's Fizgog's brick, Noggin.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you better take it back.
Rosie,
Yes?
he's looking for his big heavy brick.
Oh, dear.
I wonder where that brick went to. I don't know, it's very strange. Oh, it's come back. It must be a magic brick. There are bricks everywhere. My goodness, what would we do without them to keep us warm and dry in our houses? And my book says there's a place not far from here where I can see new bricks being made.
Rosie,
Yeah?
look at all those bricks.
Yeah, lots and lots of bricks, Jim.
Bricks, bricks.
Lots and lots.
Rosie,
Yeah?
They keep people all dry and warm, Fizzgog said.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ah, here we are. This must be the place. Right, I'll go and see if I can find out how bricks are made now.
Hey, Rosie. Fizzgog's off. Come on.
My goodness, it's muddy here. And there's somebody doing an awful lot of digging. I wonder what this has got to do with making bricks. I think I'll go and see if I can find out.
Jim, that man over there's digging all that muddy stuff.
Rosie?
Huh?
I don't like those great big digger things.
Oh, don't worry. If we stay near to Fizzgog, we'll be all right there.
Oh, Rosie?
Yeah?
Why are they digging all that muddy stuff up?
Don't know. Come on, follow Fizzgog. Come on.
Oh,
Ooh!
it's all muddy, Rosie. Follow Fizzgog.
I wonder if you can help me. I'm writing a story about how bricks are made, and I wonder if you could show me.
Yes, certainly. What we do here is take the clay out of the ground.
Well, that's where I got stuck in it when I was walking.
That's right, yes. And we're moving it to the machine by the tractor, where we will squash it down, and that's what we make the bricks from.
Rosie?
Yeah?
He said clay?
Yeah. Jim, all that squishy, muddy stuff must be clay.
Yeah. Clay, Rosie.
So what happens in here?
Well, the clay is brought in here after it's been made soft and smooth.
Oh, yeah.
Ready for breaking to make the clay into bricks.
Oh, I see, yeah.
Rosie,
Yeah?
that looks like the same stuff.
Yeah. Jim, it's called clay because he said so, Noggin.
Rosie,
Huh?
what's he doing with that clay stuff?
Well, he's cutting it
Cutting
and
it?
banging it.
Bang, bang, banging it.
Yeah. Oh,
Rosie,
yeah?
that thing looks like a,
Yeah, like the same shape as
the same shape as a
a
brick.
brick.
But that brick looks all squishy squashy.
Yeah, all squirmy and soft.
Rosie,
Yeah?
maybe he wants to make a squishy squashy soft house.
Yeah, maybe he wants to make it as squishy as this. Look, Jim, it's all squishy.
Rosie, you naughty nookie.
And do you make all your bricks like that?
No, only very few are made this way. The majority are made by machine.
Oh, I see. Can we go and see what happens next?
Yeah, certainly.
Thank you.
This is how we make our bricks.
Squish, squash, squeech.
There.
Now we've got our own bricks, Rosie.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And what happens next?
Well, once the bricks have been dried, we put them in the oven to be baked.
Oh, I see. Oh, here they come.
Ah, yes.
Rosie,
Those look like the bricks.
he said he's putting those bricks in a great big oven.
Yeah, a very hot oven. Jim,
What?
my brick is all squidgy and squashy.
Squidgy and squashy.
Yeah, where's yours?
My brick's all... Where is my brick, Rosie?
Don't know.
Rosie,
What?
my brick's over there.
Oh,
no.
Oh, can we see what happens next?
Yes, certainly.
Oh, I've stepped in something, isn't it? Oh, it's only clay.
Oh, no! Rosie,
Yeah?
this one's gone all hard.
Yeah, but my brick's all squishy squashy still.
Squishy squash.
So what have we got here then?
These are the finished bricks. And the reason why they're so hard is because they've been well baked.
Yes, they're really totally different colour. And
That's right.
really hard, aren't they?
Yes.
Yeah, great. Shall we go on now?
Yes.
Oh, no! Jim, this skunk squashed 2 of our squidgy bricks now.
Oh, squidgy squadgy brick.
Oh,
Rosie?
yeah?
That brick is all squidgy squadgy because you didn't bake it in the oven.
Yes, I know.
There you are, John. All you need is some cement to stick the bricks together, and you can build anything you like.
That's it. That's wonderful. Anyway, thank you very much for showing me around.
Pleasure.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bum, 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 bum. Rosie, will you help me build the highest wall in the whole wide world?
No, I'm busy. And anyway, Noggin, nobody can build the highest wall in the world.
Jim can. My brick wall is building up, building up, building up. My brick wall is building up, getting higher. There. Now, Rosie, look how high my brick wall is. What was that?
Where, Noggin?
Oh, Rosie. Right then. My brick wall is building up, building up, building up. My brick wall is building up.
There.
Look, Rosie. Look how high it is now.
Oh, Jim, that is the biggest wall.
Yeah, and I built it, Rosie.
Yes. Jim, Fisgog!
Oh, Fisgog!
He's coming! Oh, oh no!
Rosie, Fisgog!
Oh, come on!
Hello, Duck. I wonder what you're going to build with that brick. That's given me an idea for a story. Now I'm going to write a story all about Rosie and Jim and what they might have got up to if they could have come to life today. One chilly day, Rosie and Jim saw 3 pigs in a field. "Hello," called Jim. "I know," said Rosie. "You must be the 3 little pigs." "Don't build a straw house," said Jim. "The wolf will blow it down," said Rosie. "Or one of sticks," said Jim. "How do you know?" said the pigs. "We've read the story," said Jim. "Use bricks," said Rosie. "But we haven't got any bricks," said the pigs. "We'll get you some," said Rosie. Rosie and Jim ran to the brickworks. They borrowed a wheelbarrow and bought some bricks with their pocket money. Then they ran all the way back. "You can use our bricks," said Rosie and Jim. They helped the 3 little pigs to build a house of bricks. When the wolf came, he huffed and he puffed, but he couldn't blow it down. "Told you so," said Rosie.
Rosie.
Jim!
Rosie and Jim, chugging along on the old Ragdoll.
I'm off now to see what I can find to make a news story for next time. So I'll say goodbye. Goodbye.
Stick around for the next episode. Or try the featured ones. You're watching Bippity Bop. Like and subscribe.